past 10 years now, you've made amazing strides in bringing that life force energy back to a lot of farms and animals, pets, soil, water with your technology, Dan. So what are some of the major things that you've noticed really with what you've done so far? Maybe you can share a couple of things with us.
First, we have to realize that we completely underestimate the effect of the environment on so much of our experience, whether it's on people, plants, or animals, or the soil. We just don't realize the effect that this man-made EMF, it affects literally everything. So if that's the understanding, and these products can then mitigate the stress of that man-made EMF, we have the ability to positively and beneficially affect everything as well. For people, we have seen things where we had a firefighter who had third-degree burns across his entire body, and he was in a bad way, and he had this. We had the people who were working on it then had a clinic, and they had this light tower, the 7-inch light tower at the time, and it was set up next to a bed, and this would move back and forth as he was laying down. And for about 3 months, he would come into the clinic 2 or 3 times a day and get that work done. And after 3 months, he had no scar tissue, completely healed, no scar tissue. So pretty remarkable there.